They're sweet and lighter than air, and they used to be reserved just for royalty, but now they're for everyone. Howard shows us how to make homemade marshmallows in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Did you know that marshmallows date back thousands of years and were considered delicacies fit only for royalty? But in the mid-1800s, they were reinvented by the French and became an instant hit to all. Today, Americans eat more than 90 million of these light as can be puffs of sugar every year. A few weeks ago, my curiosity got the best of me, and I set out to make homemade marshmallows. After a couple of tries, we came up with a melt-in-your-mouth version that puts store-bought ones to shame. Let me show you. After dissolving water and sugar in a saucepan, we add some unflavored gelatin that we mixed with a bit of water. After simmering this for a bit, we let it cool. Then we add some vanilla, beat it until it's thick and fluffy, and spoon it into a baking dish. After this sets up, we cut it into squares and toss them with some powdered sugar combined with a bit of cornstarch. Whether you eat these as is, toast them for s'mores, or float them on a mug of hot chocolate, boy, are you in for a treat. If you want the recipe for our homemade marshmallows, along with the recipe for the best hot chocolate ever, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet, fun to eat way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4 state market prices.